Honorable Chairman, Tinini Ani Musonka water problem, an online portal link in www.linkedin.com published on October 15, 2022, an article entitled "Villagers put their lives in danger to get water and claim hills without any claiming support every day." Condition of Purbo Raipara, Jolsora, BC, Dolai. Problem of water, there is no well or pond there. They are drinking water from the stream passing by the village from Hati Mara Chora, Mayungtui, Mayungtuisa in Riang language. Sometimes residents fight with each other to get water. This stream gets dry in summer season. We have to dig deep to get water, and it's not adequate for my family because the water is not clear, polluted, and we suffer from bouts of illness after using the water from stream. Water is essential and they have no choice but to use the contaminated water from the stream. The administration is not helping either, said Monirong Real. I am residing in here from my childhood. I have seen many political parties change in the state. Every time politicals comes and given us promise to provide us water and other facilities, but we never get any help. Every day this appears after election. We also inform to Department of Water and Sanitation but did not get any help from them. We are travelers. We will live here and die here, but we will arrange resource by our own. We lost expectation from God, said Ram Kumar Rian. Actually, chini oro simia joto jagogo omahai tini problem chunuk jago abon tino tini kaisa muson tisabani ebong angwan sugo sudo o jaga simia sara Tripura rajyogo omahai tini problem even sunuka tinio jol jibon mission huni khulukmani porebo 99% tap sugoika jol tui sugoika hini samani porebo tabo जों विभिन्न जागा थांमानि परेबो अतै जों माया जिनि तिप्रासानि एरियागो आबनि बागै दिनै अमुसुनो तिसावै जत पवित्र हाउस आं साना मुसुङो अतैनि प्रब्लेम ना जों बाहायके सल्युशन खालायनानि बागै हामबाय
माननीय सदस्यबृन्द केही मोसननि उपর आलोचना